Hello guys, welcome to my channel All-in-One Ujjwal. So guys, today I'm going to show you something new, and that is that how to type in Hindi in the PC or in the laptop. So now let's move to our desktop. So guys, there comes my screen. So guys, then you will go to Google Chrome, and here would be some setup of Google Hindi input setup tool. So you will go into Google and type Google Hindi input tools. So this type of setup would be there, and then for the setup, the link is in the description. You can go there and have it. So then you will download it. So after you downloaded, you will go. After you have downloaded, you will go and open this file, and Google Hindi input setup would be there. You will go and first you will go and you will click to the properties. So here open with Windows Explorer. You will go to change and you'll go to more apps. You will keep it as a file explorer, because in the sum of the when you will download it, in some of the input tools it come Breezip 2. So then for that you need to go to file explorer and do it okay. So then you will go and do right click, then here the option of extract all. So you will go and do that, extract all, and this show extracted file when complete, or don't do this, what do don't extract, replace the file in the destination. So the file has been extracted, and you will go. So here's the extracted file came. You will go up here, and then here's the both thing, and then Google input tools and Google input Hindi. So it came. First you will go and what you call double click on it. So if this option comes, then install anyway, and now it will ask for you for this. Do it yes. So our Google input tools is being opened. Now here the option would be no, I will reboot later. Let it be that. Do not change it, and finish. And then go to Google input Hindi and then double click again on that. You will do again install anyway. Again yes. And the same thing here. And remember guys that first you need to double click on the Google input tools. First you need to what to call open this, and then second you need to open Google input Hindi, because if you open Google input Hindi, the you cannot type in that here in Hindi. So what you call our that would be downloaded. Our Hindi input tools has been downloaded. Now I will show you that in Notepad how it will work. You will type here Notepad, and see guys, over here the language is English. Now you will click here, and here would be some of the option Hindi, Google input tools Hindi. You will click over here and see. Now if my name is Ujjwal, I will write Ujjwal over here. See guys, Ujjwal option came here. Ujjwal written came. Ujjwal, I'll write see now this also coming. See, so like this it will work. So see now, so many options is coming. Option 2 will come in this. So guys, this was our blog. So if you like our video, so please go and like guys, and if you and subscribe guys, and share our video and comment it how you liked it, and comment on below that how you like the video and which video you want next. So thank you guys, this was today's. Thanks.